Hello everyone, do you know we are left with only 20 days starting from today to start a new year? And you will also agree that every year we set a goal on 1st, and by 15th most of us give up. There are few who takes this for next 3 months, that is till March, but after that they also give up. Why this is happening? Every time we set a goal and every time we are not able to achieve it. And today I'm going to share with all of you that what are the few barriers which is not allowing us to achieve what we wanted to achieve. And what are the things which is coming in between me and the task which I am going to do to get the results, and ultimately I am not able to achieve it. So first thing which I wanted to share here is that we have to first understand that what is our current situation. So say suppose I'm taking an example of weight. If say I am 82 kgs, so this is my current situation, and whatever my eating habits and things like that, I have to write it down. My exercise regimen and everything, I have to write it down. Now this current situation I wanted to change. I wanted to reduce at least 20 kgs. That is by March probably. So if you see, my goal will become that the weight should be 20 kgs lesser than 82 kgs, so 62 kgs, right? And I need to work on my eating habits, I need to work on exercise and other things to achieve this goal. Now to achieve this goal I need to perform certain tasks which will be many other parameters which will come. But what will happen is I start doing for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and after a few days I will forget and I will go back to the original routine. Now we have to understand first of all that why this is happening. Say for an example, in these tasks there are two kind of tasks. One which I can do, one which I cannot do. So what I am able to do, we are not going to focus there. We will be focusing on those tasks which we cannot do. Now why we are unable to do, there can be certain parameters, there can be certain barriers which is coming in between, which is not allowing us to do that. Now what are those barriers? That is what we will be discussing here. So the first one is clarity. Probably I don't know how much calories to eat. I don't know who will be guiding me in my dietary regimen. What are the exercises I will be doing? So I don't have clarity. How much weight I should reduce per month? I don't know. So there I need to gather the clarity. Now what we generally do is we repeat the task without having clarity, which will not give me results. Second thing is probably I have an issue with resources. Maybe I don't have money so that I pay for my gym subscription or to the dietitian. So because I don't have that money with me or the resources with me, or maybe I don't have any good dietitian around me who can guide me, that can also come into resources. Now this is the second barrier which is not allowing me to fulfill the task which will lead me to get the results. Now the third one is nothing but the skills. Say I don't have skills to do the exercise in such a way that I reduce weight, and there I will not be able to see the results and I will lose that interest. Now when you are going to put a resolution this year, you have to first chalk out and make different layers very clear, that whether the task what I am going to do, I have complete clarity, whether I have the resources available, whether the skills I am equipped with. Now the fourth one and the most problematic issue with all of us is mental hindrance. Now what happens, I have set a alarm. I wanted to wake up early in the morning at around 5 o'clock so that I go for walking, I do my exercise, I eat healthy. But night I woke up till 11 o'clock because of certain reasons, and morning when I'm trying to wake up, my subconscious mind, my inner voice is telling me that one should sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours. And then if you are unable to sleep for 7 to 8 hours, then you will not be able to achieve what you want to achieve. Means your health will deteriorate. Now this is the problem. These are the things which will come in mental hindrances, or you will understand that no, I don't wanted to follow this because earlier also I have done it and I have not seen any result, and unnecessarily once again I'll start feeling guilty once I am not able to achieve, and then it will once again make me feel down. So what are the things which will come in mental hindrances? So first thing which will come in mental hindrance is my belief. Second thing will come is my past experiences. Third thing which will come is my values. Then it will come like my emotions, my thoughts. So all those things will play a vital role which will act as a hindrance between me and my goal, and I'll not be able to perform the task. Why I'm sharing this with all of you? Do you want to once again start this year and land up not achieving what you want to achieve, or you want or you will make a decision that this time whatever I have decided I will do it, I will achieve it no matter what? This is the question which I am going to ask, and that's the reason I invite all of you to attend my weekly workshops, wherein I'm going to help you all break down those barriers which is not allowing you to achieve what you want to achieve, and then you will see a newer self and your confidence levels will go up. You will feel that yes, I am a finisher. Hope you have liked the video, and if you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.